Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to recover permanently deleted text or SMS on Android. Unfortunately, there is no way to do this, but there is a way you can be cautioned for the future. So, go to your Play Store and type SMS Backup and Restore and install this application. Then you're going to open it, get started, allow everything, and then you're gonna press set up a backup. You're gonna choose if you want your messages and catalogs. You can do both. Press next. Then you're gonna choose where to store. Store your SMSs and calls. So Google Drive, you can log in and select that. You can select Dropbox, OneDrive, or you can do your phone, but that's basically the same thing. Then I'm just gonna choose Google Drive, for example, press next, and yeah, once you've done that, it's going to be automatically saving them in your Google Drive folder. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.